In front of me is iPhone 30 Pro Max, and let me show you how to create medical ID on this device. So at the very beginning you need to locate and open settings, then scroll down, find and select health. Right here it is, and then under medical details you will notice medical ID. So just click here to create it, and then just upon create medical ID. So first of all, just add your name, then provide photo if you want to. You can take it right now or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick it, and then tap on choose to apply it. Now add date of your birth, and then you can add medical conditions, medical notes, allergies, for example, medications. Then you can add blood type, add organ donor if you are the one, if you would like to, or if not, just pick your own answer. Then you can add your weight, also height, for example 180, primary language, and then if you'd like to add some emergency contacts, just click here on plus icon, and you can either pick it from your contact list, but you've got no contacts here, so in that case let me smoothly create a new one. And now we can add this contact as our, okay, there is no number, so let me just change it. Add phone number. So let me add Tony as my contact number, then pick who is Tony for you. So let me choose father. And then you can decide if you would like to see the emergency access when your device is locked, or you can switch it off, it's up to you, but I will leave it this way, and then tap on done. So here you've got it. So this is the name, then your age, the information regarding the organ donor of not, and then your allergies, blood type, weight, height, and also primary language, then your in case of emergency phone contact, and then tap on done to save it. And that will be all. Your medical ID is created. It's super useful, and you should do it. So just personalize it and then have it on your iPhone 13. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.